My name is Oscar, and we're gonna be doing more science, just like the last video. Okay, so let's get your supplies. A test tube or something to mix it in. Some red cabbage powder, but be careful, it can stain surfaces. Plus, I also recommend adult supervision. Some citric acid. And sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. A big scoop or 1 teaspoon. A small scoop or 1/8 teaspoon. I can't show you the small scoop, so I totally recommend a 1/8 teaspoon. And a beaker filled with 30 milliliters of water. Some dish soap over here. And okay, if you have all that, we're ready to go. So let's put 1 big scoop of sodium bicarbonate and 1 big scoop of citric acid into the test tube and swirl to mix the ingredients. Are we taking 1 big scoop of both?
Yeah, you can choose. Yeah, that's good.
That's probably half. I guess we're gonna do another half. Come on. Come on.
Oh, that's good.
Do you think that's enough?
I think so.
Citric acid to mix the ingredient into the test tube. Citric acid. Did we just do citric acid, Dad? Did we just do citric acid?
No, you did sodium bicarbonate. Let me open this one.
Okay. Okay, let's...
This is
Oh, that's just citric acid. I guess we're gonna have to clean this up at some time. So, anything you recommend to mix it with? Anything you recommend the people who are watching this video could mix it with, Dad?
A long stick or a pipe cleaner.
Okay, whatever. So, just mix it. Tube and swirl to mix the ingredients. Dad, do you think they're mixed yet?
They look pretty good.
Okay. Now, add a drop of dish soap to the test tube. Oh, I just forgot. Make sure to put it in your experiment tray.
Wait, did you add the red cabbage powder yet? Do we do that later or no?
We're doing that later. That's probably good enough. And now, in the beaker, mix 30 milliliters of water with 1 small scoop of red cabbage powder. This is your indicator solution. Red cabbage powder. Oh, gosh. I guess it doesn't matter if it gets on the table. Okay. Now, pour the liquid into the beaker, into the test tube, and enjoy the multicolored explosion. Now, let me just... Okay, so make sure you've got something to pour it with. And if you want to know the name of this science experiment, it's called Rainbow Explosion. As you can probably see, it's coming out and going down the side of a test tube. And it's like going across all over the experiment tray. Okay, Dad, are you gonna take the camera so that they can take a closer look?
I'm gonna zoom in.
Okay. Daddy's taking the camera so we can take a closer look at what's going on.
So he has that in his Spanish class that's moving today.
I bet you see some different colors. Now, if you heard Mama say something like that, well, I don't think she was supposed to interrupt the video. Okay. Now, so, do you want to know why that happened? Well, I'm just about to read why that happened. Why did that happen? The sodium carbonate reacts with the citric acid to form carbon dioxide gas. It foams up in the dish soap. Sends red cabbage powder turns red with acids and blue bases. You may see different colors foam as the liquid encounters different particles of citric acid and base sodium bicarbonate. Liquid will mix the two solids, and the color will even out and become purple. Seriously scientific. Exothermic versus endothermic reactions. Breaking chemical bonds takes energy, while creating new bonds releases energy. When a reaction uses energy to break bonds, then it releases as it creates new bonds. The energy is called endothermic. The temperature of the solution will drop in an endothermic reaction. When the reaction releases more energy used to create the initial bonds, it's called exothermic. The excess energy is released in the form of heat, making the temperature of the solution rise. The reaction between baking soda and citric acid is endothermic, so if you measured with a thermometer, you would find that the resulting mixture is colder than the original solutions.
Right.
And that's probably the end of the video. As you can see, I bet you see it's probably still erupting. Maybe it's just a big bubble popping out of the top.
All right.
Dad, should we do an explosion?
Nope, I think you can say thank you.
Thank you for watching.